Howdy everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to whip up some easy and delicious snacks. Because let's be honest, who doesn't love a good snack? Whether you're on the go, need a little something to tide you over till dinner, or just want a tasty treat, I've got you covered. We're talking about healthy snacks that won't derail your healthy eating goals. These recipes are so simple you can make them in a flash. No fancy ingredients or complicated instructions here, just good, wholesome food that will satisfy your cravings and keep you feeling energized. So grab your aprons and let's get snacking. First up, we have a classic combination that's as refreshing as it is delicious apple slices with almond butter. It's the perfect balance of sweet and nutty, and it's so easy to put together. Now, when it comes to apples, you can use your favorite variety. I'm partial to Honeycrisp or Fuji, but Gala or Granny Smith would be delicious too. Just make sure to slice them up into nice, manageable pieces. For the almond butter, I like to use one that's all natural, with no added sugar or salt. You can find some great options at the grocery store these days. This snack is perfect for a quick bite on the go or a satisfying afternoon pick-me-up. It's a great way to get your fruits and healthy fats too. Now let's talk about ways to customize this simple snack. Sometimes I like to sprinkle a little cinnamon on my apple slices for a warm, comforting flavor. If you're feeling really adventurous, you can even add a sprinkle of granola or a few mini chocolate chips for an extra touch of sweetness. And if you're not a fan of almond butter, you can easily swap it out for peanut butter, cashew butter, or even sunflower seed butter. The possibilities are endless, so feel free to get creative and make this snack your own. Next, let's talk about a sweet treat that won't ruin your diet. Greek yogurt topped with honey and fresh berries is both refreshing and nutritious. Greek yogurt is a powerhouse of protein, which will help keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's packed with calcium and probiotics, which are great for your gut health. When it comes to honey, I like to use a local, raw honey for the best flavor and health benefits. Just a drizzle is all you need to add a touch of natural sweetness. And of course, we can't forget about the berries. I love using a mix of fresh berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They're full of antioxidants and vitamins, and they add a burst of color and freshness to this simple snack. This Greek yogurt parfait isn't just a snack. It can be a satisfying breakfast or a light dessert. You can even layer it in a jar and take it on the go with you. If you want to add a little crunch, sprinkle on some chopped nuts like almonds or walnuts. A sprinkle of chia seeds or flax seeds adds a boost of healthy fats and fiber. And if you're feeling really indulgent, a drizzle of melted dark chocolate would be delicious. Just be sure to use a high-quality dark chocolate with a high percentage of cacao. This Greek yogurt parfait is so versatile and easy to customize. It's a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth while still nourishing your body. Now y'all know I love my snacks just as much as the next person, especially when they're healthy and delicious. There's something so satisfying about munching on something that's both tasty and good for you. And that's why this next one is a real winner in my book. It's a snack that brings together the best of both worlds. We're talking hummus and veggie sticks, a classic combination that's as satisfying as it is good for you. It's a match made in snack heaven. Hummus is one of those magical dips that just goes with everything. Whether you're dipping veggies, spreading it on a sandwich, or even using it as a salad dressing, it's incredibly versatile. It's creamy, it's flavorful, and it's packed with plant-based protein. Plus, you can customize it with different spices and toppings to suit your taste. Plus, it's made with chickpeas, which are naturally gluten-free and a good source of fiber. Chickpeas are also rich in vitamins and minerals, making hummus a nutritious choice. You can find hummus at just about any grocery store these days, or you can even whip up a batch at home if you're feeling ambitious. Homemade hummus allows you to experiment with flavors and ingredients. And when it comes to veggie sticks, the possibilities are endless. From crunchy carrots to crisp cucumbers, there's a veggie for everyone. I love using a variety of colors and textures to keep things interesting. Mixing different veggies not only makes your platter look appealing, but also adds a range of flavors and nutrients. Carrots and celery are always a classic, but don't be afraid to branch out with bell peppers, cucumbers, snap peas, or even cherry tomatoes. Each veggie brings its own unique crunch and taste. Trust me, the more colorful your veggie platter, the more fun it is to snack on. A vibrant platter is not only visually appealing but also more enticing to eat. This snack is perfect for just about any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, having a casual get-together, or just enjoying a quiet evening at home, it's always a hit. Pack it in your lunchbox for a midday pick-me-up, bring it to your next potluck, or simply enjoy it as an afternoon treat. It's a versatile snack that fits into any part of your day. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, there are all sorts of ways to jazz up your hummus and veggie sticks. You can add different spices and herbs to your hummus, like roasted red pepper, cilantro lime, or even a little bit of jalapeno for a kick. And don't be afraid to experiment with different dipping sauces. Ranch dressing is always a crowd pleaser, but you could also try a Greek yogurt dip, a spicy sriracha mayo, or even a simple balsamic vinaigrette. Just a little drizzle can go a long way in terms of flavor. Another fun idea is to turn your hummus and veggie sticks into a mini meal by adding some whole grain crackers, pita bread, or even some sliced hard-boiled eggs. This will give you a boost of protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, skip the chips and cookies and reach for some hummus and veggie sticks instead. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. All right, folks, let's talk about a snack that's perfect for all you spice lovers out there. If you're looking for something that's both healthy and delicious, you're in for a treat. These spicy roasted chickpeas are crunchy, flavorful, and totally addictive. They're the kind of snack that you can munch on without feeling guilty. Plus, they're packed with protein and fiber, so they'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's a great way to curb those mid-afternoon cravings without reaching for something unhealthy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chickpeas? As a snack? It might sound a bit unconventional, but once you try it, you'll be hooked. But trust me on this one. These little legumes are about to become your new favorite snack. When you roast chickpeas in the oven with a little bit of olive oil and your favorite spices, they transform into these crispy, crunchy little bites that are impossible to resist. The roasting process brings out a nutty flavor that's simply delightful. The beauty of this snack is that you can customize it to your liking. Whether you prefer it mild or extra spicy, the choice is yours. I like to use a combination of paprika, chili powder, cumin, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. This blend gives the chickpeas a smoky, spicy flavor that's hard to beat. But you can use whatever spices you like. Feel free to experiment and find your perfect mix. Garlic powder, onion powder, and even a little bit of brown sugar would all be delicious additions. The brown sugar adds a touch of sweetness that balances the heat perfectly. To make these spicy roasted chickpeas, simply drain and rinse a can of chickpeas, pat them dry, toss them with olive oil and spices, and roast them in a preheated oven until they're golden brown and crispy. It's a simple process that yields amazing results. It's as easy as that. In no time, you'll have a healthy, tasty snack that's perfect for any occasion. These spicy roasted chickpeas are perfect for snacking on the go. They're easy to pack in a baggie or container, and they won't get soggy or smashed like some other snacks. Plus, they're a much healthier alternative to chips or pretzels. I love munching on these chickpeas straight from the oven, but they're also delicious cold. You can add them to salads for a little extra crunch, sprinkle them on top of soups, or even use them as a topping for tacos or burritos. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even try grinding up these roasted chickpeas into a flour. Chickpea flour is a great gluten-free alternative to wheat flour, and it can be used in all sorts of recipes, from pancakes to pizza crusts. So next time you're craving a salty, crunchy, and satisfying snack, give these spicy roasted chickpeas a try. They're easy to make, they're good for you, and they're sure to become a new favorite. Now, y'all know I love my avocado. It's one of those versatile fruits that can be used in so many dishes. But today, we're focusing on a classic favorite. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's full of healthy fats. These fats are not only good for your heart, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied. And one of my favorite ways to enjoy avocado is on toast. It's quick, it's easy, and it's incredibly satisfying. It's a simple classic that never gets old. Whether it's for breakfast, lunch, or a snack, avocado toast always hits the spot. But we're not talking about just any old avocado toast here. We're elevating it to a whole new level. We're talking about avocado toast with a healthy twist. Adding a variety of toppings can make it not only more delicious, but also more nutritious. We're going to use whole grain bread instead of white bread, which adds more fiber and nutrients to our meal. and we're gonna top it with all sorts of nutritious and delicious ingredients. Think fresh veggies, seeds, and maybe even a poached egg. First things first, let's talk about the bread. The foundation of any good toast is the bread you choose. I like to use a hearty whole grain bread that's got lots of fiber and nutrients. It adds a nice texture and flavor to the toast. You can find some great options at the grocery store these days, with many brands offering high-quality whole grain loaves. Or you can even try making your own bread at home if you're feeling ambitious. Freshly baked bread can make a world of difference. Next up, the avocado. Now, you want to make sure your avocado is perfectly ripe. This is key to getting that creamy texture we all love. It should be soft to the touch, but not too mushy. A perfectly ripe avocado will yield slightly when you press it gently. Once you've got your avocado, simply slice it in half, remove the pit, and get ready to scoop out that delicious flesh, and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. From here, you can mash it up or slice it depending on your preference. Now comes the fun part, topping your avocado toast. I like to keep things simple with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, but you can get as creative as you like here. A drizzle of olive oil is always a good idea, and a pinch of red pepper flakes will add a nice little kick. You can also add a squeeze of lemon or lime juice for a bit of tanginess. If you're feeling fancy, you can top your avocado toast with a fried egg. The runny yolk adds a delicious richness to the toast, and it's a great way to get a boost of protein. And of course, no avocado toast is complete without some fresh herbs. I love using cilantro, but parsley, chives, or even basil would be delicious too. Just sprinkle them on top right before serving. So next time you're looking for a healthy and satisfying breakfast, lunch, or snack, give this avocado toast a try. Up next, we're fixin' to dive into snack number 6. And let me tell you, this one's a real rootin' tootin' good time. We're talking about trail mix, but not just any trail mix. We're making it ourselves. Now, the beauty of homemade trail mix is that you can customize it to your heart's content. It's like a choose-your-own adventure for your taste buds. You can go heavy on the nuts, or maybe you're more of a dried fruit fan. Me, I like a little bit of everything. Give me some almonds, some cashews, maybe a pecan or two for good measure. Then we'll toss in some dried cranberries, some chopped apricots, and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for good measure. And the best part is, you can make a big old batch of this trail mix and keep it on hand for whenever those snack attacks hit. It's perfect for packing in your purse, your backpack, or even your saddlebag if you're feeling extra adventurous. Now I know what you're thinking. Trail mix? That's for hikers and cowboys, right? Well, I'm here to tell you that trail mix is for everyone. Whether you're wrangling kids, working on the ranch, or just need a little something to tide you over till dinner, trail mix is the answer. It's packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, so it'll keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's portable and mess-free, so you can take it with you wherever you go. No forks required. I like to keep a jar of trail mix in my car for those times when I'm running errands and need a quick pick-me-up. And trust me, it's a lifesaver on those long car rides with the kids. So ditch those processed snacks and treat yourself to a handful of homemade trail mix. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Well, folks, we've made it to our final healthy snack idea, and let me tell you, it's a real treat. We're talking about smoothie bowls, a breakfast of champions if you ask me. Now, smoothie bowls are a lot like regular smoothies, but with a little something extra. Instead of sipping your smoothie through a straw, you get to eat it with a spoon. And trust me, that makes all the difference. The base of a smoothie bowl is usually frozen fruit and some kind of liquid, like almond milk or coconut water. But here's where things get fun. You can add all sorts of goodies to your smoothie bowl. I like to add a handful of spinach or kale for extra nutrients, a scoop of protein powder to keep me full and satisfied, and maybe a tablespoon of almond butter for some healthy fats. Now here's the really fun part, the toppings. You can go as crazy or as simple as you like with your smoothie bowl toppings. I like to think of it as an opportunity to get creative in the kitchen. Some of my favorite toppings include fresh fruit like berries or bananas, granola for a little crunch, chia seeds for extra fiber, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. But really, the possibilities are endless. You could add chopped nuts, shredded coconut, cacao nibs, or even a dollop of whipped cream if you're feeling extra fancy. Smoothie bowls are a delicious and nutritious way to start your day, or enjoy as a healthy snack or dessert. so grab your blender and get creative. Well, my friends, that's it for today's roundup of healthy snack ideas. I hope you found some new favorites to add to your repertoire. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be boring or unhealthy. With a little creativity and planning, you can enjoy delicious and nutritious snacks that will fuel your body and satisfy your taste buds. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes and tips. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below what your favorite healthy snacks are. Until next time, happy snacking!